Are you ready? Let's go. Today, we're cooking with Samoan chef. We're cooking an island fish soup for the suya. No, we're looking for a fiti talo. We're not looking for tahine talo. And for the best suya, you cannot go cheap on that coconut cream. So you get that kara coconut cream. Let this fish swim in the lolo of that coconut cream. Alright, let's go find Ian Nemo. Kalau saya Nemo ngali. Yeah, we're using the golden pomfret. Yeah, put kamo pan panel. Get your ingredients lined up. But first, let's get them taro boiled up. So before you put the taro in, that pot bring it to boil so you can get your taro. Don't ever put that taro in unless that pot is boiling like rotorua. Yes, cut them fish in 3 pieces. And now it's suya time. Let's cook that fish in a suave o lofa. Fish in, goodbye Nemo, kalofaya Nemo. Alright, onions in, lots of onion. Black pepper in, hey, take it easy. Salt in, yeah, not too much. Se'ew. And then the last we put in our coconut cream kara. And that's it, all done. Our suya, our fish soup, it is done. So, last, don't forget Uncle Raja, MSG in. And let's stir for the last time. Let me look at them fish. Ooh, those pieces, yummy. Alright, let's check out taro. So how do you know it's cooked? When the fork is going right through. Alright, that's how you plate it. And let's serve. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Samoan Chef. Also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Manuya lasso, follow up.